Okay, what we have today is we have a LimeSDR Mini plugged into an ICOM ICR 8600 through a 20 dB attenuation cable, and we're going to use the Lime Mini as a signal source. For other systems you may need additional attenuation, but for the ICOM the 20 dB appears to be enough. Okay, here the first thing I found is that the Lime Mini will not work with a center frequency of less than 31 megahertz. And so we're going to start at 35 megahertz and we're going to use narrowband FM. And so here's the first test at 35 megahertz. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see that that worked quite nicely. And so we'll go to 300 megahertz. And so now one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so at 300 megahertz it worked quite nicely. And so let's go to 3 gigahertz. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there again, it worked quite nicely at 3 gigahertz. And so the Lime Mini works pretty well as a signal source. The only restriction being you can't go a center frequency of below 31 megahertz. And even here with the gain set to minus 12, the minimum that it can be set to, it still has more than enough power to drive the ICOM.